Hello everyone, my greetings to every of my viewer or everyone watching this video of for Deepavali and the Durga Pujas. Continue with our video. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Artistic Engine, the podcast where we explore the fascinating intersection of machine and art. I'm your host, Prince Day, and today we are dividing into captivation world where gear meet creativity. Also, welcome back to my channel, Mr. Gyani Baba. So let's dive right in. Have you ever looked at a machine and seen more than just nut and bolts? Really? Have you seen? Today, we are unraveling the artistic side of engines from the sculptural beauty of bike designs to the mesmerizing world of art inspired by machinery. The art of bike designs. Let's kick things off by delving into the artistry of bike designs. Motorcycles, especially the iconic Bullet, my favorite, Royal Enfield Continental GT, but due to lack of budget, I shift my favorite to Honda 350. Or if I get some budget, I will definitely buy Harley Davidson because it is whatever. I'm getting emotional right now. It's bike and machine, so I'm getting emotional. Yes, what am I taking? Let's kick things off by delving into the artistry of bike designs. Motorcycles, especially the iconic Bullet, are not just models of transportation. They are works of an art on wheels. The curves, the details, the sheer craftsmanship. It's a visual feast. It's a visual feast. You don't believe me. Join me as we explore the aesthetic journey of bike design throughout the history. From the traditional bike arts, let's shift gears to the contemporary. Machines have found their way into modern art galleries, challenging perception and sparking conversations. We will explore how arts are using engine as medium for expression and social commentary. Before we wrap up, let's hear from you, our wonderful listeners. I asked you to share your own encounters with artistic engines, and the responses were incredible. Stick around as we feature some of your stories in our listeners' corner. That's wrap up another episode of Gyani Baba on the topic of artistic engines. I hope you all enjoyed this exploration of the creative synergy between the machines and art. Remember, whether it's the roar of a motorcycle engine or the stroke of a paintbrush, art surrounds us in unexpected ways. It's just unbelievable. I am a passionate mechanical engineering and I have a hobby of art and craft. Even I teach, not like that. I guide almost 36 and 36 to 48 children on this topic, art and craft. But I am a passionate mechanical engineering, so I will try to collide both of this topic whenever I can. I can see the art of machines everywhere. Not whether even in my house, in the environment or in this society, from the pen we are writing to the aeroplane or satellite we are rising. Everywhere there is an art of machinery. Everywhere is art. Everywhere is machine. Thank you for joining me on this artistic topic. If you have your own stories or thoughts on today's topic or any topic, feel free to feel free to share them on our social media. And until next time, this is your Princess signing off. Keep those engines running and keep creating. Thank you. Jai Hind, Namaskar, Vande Mataram.